are pleased to show you the 2002 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, universal garage door opener, power windows, CD player, trip computer, passenger airbag on/off switch, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.